how to join groups in Instagram. Now, first things first, for you to have or for this specific um, feature available on your Instagram app, of course, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of your IG application. So just head over to your Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded the app and make sure that you're running the latest version. Now, for you to be able to join a group on Instagram, all you have to do is just do simply tap on the messenger icon at the top right portion of your screen. Now, once you've tapped it, you just have to tap the search box again. And then here, you'll have to enter the specific groups where you would like to join on that groups. So say for example, we are joining the NBA fans. So in here, it is currently searching, and as you can see, there is going to be accounts or groups that's going to be providing you results. Now, for you to be able to join them, just simply tap on that, and you will automatically be linked to the group um, communication page. And that's how you join groups in Instagram.